How to fix the Instagram Live option not showing on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get the live feature back on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and check if your account meets the basic requirements. You need at least 50 followers for the live option to appear. After that, close the app completely and go to your home screen. From there, long press on the Instagram app icon and tap on App Info. At this point, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the issue. In the next step, go back to the App Info screen and tap on Permissions. Following this, go through each permission listed and make sure everything is set to allow, especially camera and microphone, since Instagram Live cannot function without them. Once done, go back and tap on Mobile Data to make sure both mobile data and unrestricted data usage are enabled. From here, also check that your internet connection is stable, since a weak connection can sometimes cause certain features to disappear. At this stage, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. After this, search for Instagram and tap Update if an update is available, as outdated versions are one of the most common reasons features stop showing up. Once completed, open Instagram again, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and swipe through the options at the bottom of the camera screen. Finally, the live option should now be visible and ready to use. And that's it. If this guide helped you get your Instagram live option back, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.